This is the best hat I've ever seen.
So I bring my heat hat. This is what's happening.
This is how you beat the heat.
Guys, I finally found one. I've wanted to find one of these little guys for so long. It's a weevil. Be my friend, please. Yes! A weevil! Oh, you're so cute. I can't stand it. Dude, nature's awesome. Look at this little dork.
Put a pinwheel in your hair. Every time you walk, it'll spin.
Little guy just wanted to get some treats from his favorite store.
Hey, can I get a shot of that Pepsi?
Okay.
Thanks.
This feels like a forbidden hot dog cooking technique.
Bill, these are really good.
I did it, oh my gosh.
I think this indoor cat was happy to have some outdoor time. I think she got more than she bargained for.
Yeah, you know how you can make it better? Pull it. Pull it. Ah!
This guy wanted to see whether he could fill his water bottle during a bungee jump.
Think this is gonna work?
Yeah.
Who won?
Year 65 of splitting, no matter what, on the birthday. You need to stretch? Yes, there we go. There we go. She still got it at 65.
Hey.
Ay, cabrón!
Why am I at a thrift store, bro? All these toys are so like, oh my god.
I just released a new video over on my brand new science channel. If you like science, go and check it out. That is, yeah, this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.